praying for. Looking back at the weight I used to carry, always waiting for the next thing to bury, but now